Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella Hernandez. I'm a licensed esthetician and a skincare developer. Today I would like to talk to you about toners. There is a lot of confusion about toners because people don't understand the difference between a treatment toner and a hydrating toner, the toner that balances your pH level. So Spalina Holistic Skincare line has two different toners. One is treatment toner and the other one is hydrating toner that is used after each wash of the face. So the main difference is that the Lipid Refresh is our hydrating toner, is used every time you wash your face to balance the pH level of your skin, your barrier. Because when we use any kind of cleansers, water, the balance of the pH gets disrupted. So that sets the foundation for the application of the serums and other stuff that you're gonna later put on. It is an important step, and it's the step that people skip most of the time because they don't see the value of a toner. But toner is very important. It sets the foundation for everything. The other toner, it's called the treatment toner. Spalina's line is called Lilac toner. We used to have it in a little container where there were soaking pads, but then we decided to move it into the spray bottle because of the shipping issues that we had. But anyhow, Lilac exfoliating toner can be only used twice a week. This cannot be used as a daily toner because it has some lactic acid, it has some glycolic acid, and we don't want to use that daily because it's going to disrupt our skin barrier. So the way we apply this toner to the skin is not the same way as we apply the Lipid Refresh. We have to use the cotton rounds in this situation. We apply it on the cotton rounds, not directly to the face, because you do not want to get this product into your eyes because it's not going to feel good. And after you soak those pads, you do a few sprays, not too much. You just make sure you apply it all over your face. You kind of rub it in close to the eye, but not too much, around your mouth, and then you can do your neck as well. You're gonna then just throw those away. You can do this as like in a place of a toner only twice a week, and then following with your regular routine, or you can do this on the night when you do the Cranglow exfoliating enzyme mask, and then to boost up the treatment a little more, you apply this afterwards, and then following the other serums that you're using so you can hydrate the skin. For some people, this will give a little bit of a tingling sensation, but some people will not feel anything. That just depends on the thickness of your barrier. The more the skin is conditioned, the less you will feel, but the effects are the same. It doesn't matter if it tingles or if not. If it's not, it's still working and it's still doing the job. If you find this video informative and interesting, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click and subscribe so you can get notified every time a new video is released.